there! If you are wondering what there is to do in Missoula, Montana, maybe you're considering a move, or maybe you're planning a visit, or maybe you have a student looking at attending college here, you have come to the right place, because today I am going to share some of my favorite places to eat, stay, shop, and play in Missoula, Montana with you. I am Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana Realtor. Thank you so much for joining me. I love sharing Montana cities, recreation, and housing with you. If you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here, be sure to reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. And also, if we go on this tour today and you have been here and you think that I've missed something or I've mentioned something that you don't think is worth mentioning, leave that in the comments below for other people to see as well.
All right, we are starting at the Residence Inn by Marriott in the heart of downtown Missoula. I love the artistic touches in this hotel. It feels modern yet cozy, and it's within walking distance to all of our downtown locations. Don't forget to check out the rooftop terrace while here as well. As we step outside, we find the entrance to 1889 Steakhouse just around the corner. Try the crab cakes, truffle parmesan fritas, a mouth-watering steak, and a glass of wine or a cocktail of your choosing. After dinner, if you head one block south to the Wilmer Theater, you can catch a concert or a comedy act. If you prefer the great outdoors, check out the Kettle House Amphitheater and Karis Park just next door. You can find a variety of events in the park, and don't forget to watch the river surfers while here. Yes, you heard that correctly. If you have a surfboard and an adventurous spirit, go ahead and join in on the fun. I was content to watch from the riverfront trail along the shore. Head west along the trail and you'll run into a family favorite, the Carousel and Dragon Hollow Playground. I love the medieval theme here. If you take a ride on the carousel, be sure to see how many rings you can collect from the dragon's mouth as you pass by. I think the winner should get a special treat, which shouldn't be too difficult to find at the farmer's market next door. If you are visiting on a Saturday, make sure you take time for stopping in here. The market has a wonderful array of vendors displaying beautiful flower arrangements, fresh produce, crafts, pastries, coffee, and my particular favorite of the day, the fresh-made waffle sandwiches, a must-try. There are so many great shops downtown. Simply stroll down North Higgins Avenue and stop into shops of interest along your way. One such shop for us was Butterfly Herbs. We couldn't resist the historic building and tiled entry, and the store did not disappoint. They had so many jars of spices, herbs, coffee beans, and candy to choose from, along with other items of interest. Just down the block is the M store, where you can find all things Grizz related. And if you get a little hungry while shopping, be sure to stop into Break Espresso for a latte or pastry of your choosing. I love their Evening in Missoula tea, and I'm told they have the best hot cocoa in town. And if you just need to sit for a while to study or get out of the cold, they have plenty of space for that too. And just next door, you'll find the bicycle hangar. This is a great option if your hotel doesn't provide bikes and you would like to explore a bit more of what Missoula has to offer. They have rentals available for half-day up to 1 week time frames. If you are looking for a less expensive but delicious food option, head over to Big Pizza. They have a wide variety of pizza options and offer half-and-half pizzas as well if you just can't decide. The goat cheese with caramelized onions is one of my absolute favorites. The calzones ordered by the table next to me looked amazing as well. If you prefer a restaurant with a bit more character, on Front Street you will find Sakatumi Sushi and Michi Ramen. I absolutely love the vibe and decor in Sakatumi, and admittedly would come just for that. The sushi is an experience as well, with some very unique roll options. If you prefer the ramen option, head downstairs to Michi for quite a different experience, but equally compelling. For the artistic among us, or just those seeking a bit of art therapy, be sure to check out the Zootown Arts community, where you can try your hand at painting some pottery, take a class, and even let the little ones explore the indoor play area located upstairs. Our next stop, however, is only for those 21 and up. That's right, we are heading over to Stave and Hoop. The entrance to this speakeasy can be found down the alley behind Pangea. This is a great place to people watch, listen to some live music, and enjoy a great cocktail or two. I highly recommend the espresso martini. Let's cross over the river now and check out the Hip Strip before moving on to the University District. If you love all things vintage, check out Betty's Divine. They have a fun selection of items here. Just know that vintage does not mean inexpensive. Next door is Guild, which features a tap room, lounge, and arcade. Be sure to try the grilled sweet corn here in season. They also have a nice selection of tacos, quesadillas, beers, ciders, and more. If you prefer sandwiches or pastries, check out Bernice's Bakery across the street. Okay, are you tired yet? I hope not, because we are moving on to the University District. In my humble opinion, one of the best places to stay for this portion of our video is in fact the DoubleTree by Hilton. This hotel is located on the Clark Fork River, just 3 blocks from the university, and they offer guests a warm cookie upon arrival. Now, who can resist that? The DoubleTree offers an airport shuttle, fitness room, outdoor pool, and has pet-friendly room options. They also have an on-site restaurant overlooking the river with both indoor and outdoor seating. An easy walk across the footbridge to the University of Montana means it is extremely convenient for all of the university events and does sell out quickly on event weekends. Speaking of university events, why not take in a Grizzly athletic event while in town? The football fans in particular are full of energy, so even if you know nothing about football, you are sure to be entertained. The games also feature Monty, the Grizz mascot, the marching band, cheer squad, and dance squad. A little something for everybody. If you prefer a more laid-back, relaxing option during your stay, I highly recommend a stroll through the U of M campus grounds. The Oval is beautifully manicured with Adirondack chairs and hammock frames for your enjoyment. The bell tower rings on the hour, and it truly is a beautiful space to enjoy a lovely day outside. But don't stop at the Oval. Stroll along the paths and check out the history of the buildings and dorms as well. I love stopping into the market at the University Center first to get a seasonal latte to enjoy during my stroll. You could even pop into one of the campus museums along the way. Let's amp it up just a bit and see if we can hike to the M. While this is not necessarily the most scenic hike in Montana, there's a lot of competition for that title, and it certainly will get hot if you hike at midday. This hike is a rite of passage, so to speak, and everyone must do it at least once. So grab your hiking boots or tennis shoes, a bottle of water, and get an early start. Then you can proudly join the ranks of those who have hiked to the M. After a hike like that, you have definitely earned some ice cream, so head on over to the Big Dipper and enjoy a scoop. The rivalry here between Sweet Peaks and Big Dipper is strong. Personally, I prefer Sweet Peaks. I think the ice cream is creamier, but Big Dipper provides bigger scoops, as the name implies. So if you are on a college student budget, it is Big Dipper for the win. University students also rave about Clyde Coffee and Vera Donuts. Another restaurant nearby that I love but is definitely not within the college budget is Cucina Florabella. The building and decor here are just lovely. They have a main dining area and cafe option. Try the cavatelli pasta or the nocciola pizza and thank me later. Now that you are stuffed full of pizza and pasta, let's head over to Rockin' Rudy's and do a little shopping. This is one of the most eclectic stores I have ever been in. They literally have something for everyone here, so have fun perusing and discovering the most random things possible. That could actually be a fun challenge among your group. Winner gets to pick one of the candy items on the way out. And last but certainly not least, in the University District, be sure to check the University Events page to see what's going on and take part. For homecoming weekend, they had a bonfire and fireworks in the Oval Friday night and a parade through town back to the Den on Saturday. All free and a whole lot of fun. That said, if you aren't interested in a football game or university event, it would be less crowded and less expensive if you avoid these weekends altogether, as hotels do raise prices for home football games. All right, let's leave the University District and head on over to Come On In. Yes, you heard that right. The name of this hotel is Come On In, and families love staying here. This lodging option offers a little something for everyone. Guests can enjoy a lovely stroll on the walking path outside, tackle a work project utilizing the lobby office space, take a dip in the pool or in the multiple hot tubs located throughout the common areas, lounge in one of the many cozy spaces provided, or have a friendly competition in the game room or at the ping pong table. With so many on-site options, you really won't need to leave, but I want to show you around the keep. The Keep is a unique restaurant located on a hillside overlooking the city, so it is the perfect place to grab a drink and enjoy the views. I just love the exterior facade and the cozy fireplace in the dining area. It is also connected with the Highlands Golf Course, so feel free to make a day of it here and enjoy a beautiful day outdoors. Another great restaurant located in Polly's Square, a live, work, play community, is the Boxcar Bistro. If you love wine and French cuisine, don't miss this dining experience. The extensive wine list ranges in price from $48 to $1,599 per bottle, and the risotto was delicious. There really are so many more things to do in Missoula, from fishing to hiking to various museums, etc. We are out of time for this video, but I do want to quickly mention a more affordable option for lodging as well. If the weather is warm enough, a stay at the Missoula KOA might be a wonderful option. They have a variety of lodging options available to fit your needs. You can camp in a tent or RV, or try staying in a teepee or cabin. Campground amenities include a pool, hot tub, camp store, and playground.
Wow, well, I hope that was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, please give me a call anytime at 406-890-5390. I would love to hear more about your needs. I am Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana Realtor. Have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.